Mastering conversation. The art of taking turns. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very common and important phrase in English conversations: take turns. Whether you're in a classroom, at a dinner party, or playing a game, knowing how to use and respond to take turns will make your interactions smoother and more polite. So, let's dive in and understand all about it. Take turns is a phrase that simply means people do the same thing one after the other, rather than all at the same time. It's about sharing an opportunity or an activity equally and fairly. For example, when kids play a game, they take turns, so each child gets the chance to play. In a conversation, taking turns means that each person speaks one at a time, allowing everyone to be heard. Why is taking turns so important? It helps in maintaining order and fairness in various situations. Especially in group settings, it ensures that everyone gets a chance to participate. It also shows respect for others and patience, as you wait for your turn while others have theirs. Now, let's see how to use take turns in different sentences. It's often used with the word to, as in, let's take turns to speak during the meeting. We took turns to play the piano at the recital. Sometimes, it's used with the word in, like this: the children took turns in jumping rope. There are a few phrases that convey a similar meaning to take turns. These include rotate. We will rotate cleaning duties every week. Alternate. The drivers will alternate every 2 hours on the long trip. Understanding these can help you add variety to your conversations and writing. That's a wrap on take turns. Remember, this phrase is all about sharing and fairness. Using it correctly can help you participate in English conversations more effectively. I hope this video has been informative and that you'll feel more confident using take turns in your daily English. Until next time, keep practicing, and don't forget to take your turn in learning new things every day.